Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, student, let's start today's class. This is for class 5, subject English Reasoning. Our today's topic is picture, puzzle, and lecture number 1. So, student, first we must know that what is picture puzzle actually, है ना? Picture puzzle है क्या? I think you all can get meaning of this because of this name, as its name is explaining itself. Picture puzzle. In picture puzzle, an image and letters are formed together to make a specific word which represent the picture. Okay, so student, there will be different letters which we have to form and we have to make any word, and we also will be given some pictures of related to that puzzle, and with the help of those picture we have to arrange the letters and we have to make a meaningful word, and that specific word should be represent that particular pictures, okay, which will be given. So let's start. So students, in this question number 1, like some pictures are given, you all can see. Okay, some pictures are here given and numbering is also done in the same in this puzzle. Okay, some boxes with some letters are given. You have to fill the letters in all the boxes and we have to make a particular word that will represent the each serial numbers picture. Okay, like number 1 picture will be represent here, number 2 and number 3 and so on. So we have to take the help of this. We can take the help of these pictures too. Okay, let's start. So as first, you all can guess बच्चे, these all are mixed here, fruits and vegetables. Okay, so like in mid one box है ना, mid one जो box से हैं जितने भी, FRUITS fruits, AND and vegetables, VEGETABLES. Okay, so fruits and vegetables. This is picture puzzle is related with the fruits and vegetables. So here number 1, you all can easily guess that this is grapes. Okay, so we will fill here grapes like GRAPES. If you will write the correct letter ना, then your all boxes will arrange accordingly. आपके boxes जो है वो arrange हो जाएंगे, because in between some letters are also given ना, like R and last S. Okay, so if you are writing the correct spelling, then automatically your word will be framed. Fine. Okay, number 2 is like it is starting with O na, then it's looking like also onion. Okay, onion, O-N-I is already given, and then O and then N. So here our second word is formed. Fine, onion. Now come to third one. This is vegetable, one of vegetable, and it will like 2 letters are given here na, E and S. So it is, I think it is easy है ना, you can easily fill these boxes. This is peas, P, E is already given, A we will write, and S is already given, so peas. Okay, now come to number 4. This is very easy, banana. B is already given, BANANA, banana. Fine. Now come to number 5. Number 5 is bache. It is starting with C. Okay, and here you can easily guess this picture, cherries. Okay, CHERRI and E and S are already given. Okay, so cherries. Now number 6 is pineapple, Two P's are already given here with one E. Okay, so we have to just write the spelling. We have to just guess the picture that what about this picture is given, and we have to fill these boxes accordingly. It is very easy बच्चे. PINE, pine, apple. Okay, you have to write the correct spelling, only then your boxes will be filled. Okay, if you write wrong spellings na, then the letters which are already given, they will not get merged with your letters. Okay, तो आपका पूरा जो complete word बनना है वो नहीं बन पाएगा if you are writing wrong spelling. So spelling must be correct. Okay, now number 7. Number 7 is बच्चे carrot. Okay, number 7 is carrot. C, A is already given, double R O T, carrot. Fine. Now come to number 8. Number 8 and number 9. Okay, number 8 is बच्चे, it is starting with L na, and we can easily guess if we look at the picture, then it is lemon. L E M O N, lemon. Okay, and our last picture is this. Okay, and S is given, so this is you have to guess. Okay, reddish. Reddish आपका white में भी होता है, red is also. Okay, there are varieties of reddish, so here we will write RADISH, reddish. Okay, here we have completed this picture puzzle. In the same way, you have to complete your homework puzzle too, which I will share on the group, because I will share the picture. Okay, so it will be easy for you to complete that particular puzzle. Okay बच्चे, take care, bye bye. Fine, you have to watch this video and then you have to solve your homework questions. Okay, goodbye.